Hi boys and girls, I have a book this week about butterflies because butterfly is an insect and it's the life cycle of the butterfly called From Caterpillar to Butterfly by Deborah Heiligman and illustrated by Barry Wiseman. From Caterpillar to Butterfly. Today, a caterpillar came to school in a jar. It is eating green leaves. It is climbing and wiggling. This tiny caterpillar is going to change. It will change into a beautiful butterfly. Caterpillars usually turn into butterflies outdoors. They live in gardens and meadows and yards, but we will watch our caterpillar change into a butterfly right here in our classroom. This change is called a metamorphosis. Our caterpillar started out as a tiny egg. The mother butterfly laid the egg on a leaf. A butterfly is an insect, and the egg is tiny. It is the size of a pinhead, which is very small. When the caterpillar hatched out of the egg, it was hungry, and it ate its way out of its own eggshell. Then it started to eat green plants right away. A caterpillar's job is to eat and eat and eat, so it will grow and grow and grow. It says here, the mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants that the caterpillar will eat. These are called host plants. The caterpillar is also called the larva. Starts out as an egg and then larva, which is the caterpillar. Each day when we come into school, we look at our caterpillar, and each day it is bigger. The caterpillar eats and grows for 12 to 14 days. Our skin grows with us, but a caterpillar's skin does not grow. When the caterpillar gets too big for its skin, the skin splits down the back. The caterpillar crawls right out of its own skin, and it has new skin underneath. This is called molting. Our caterpillar will molt 4 or 5 times. After many days, our caterpillar is finished growing. It is much bigger than when it first came to school. It is almost as big as my little finger now. Our caterpillar is making a special house. First, it makes a button of silk, and it uses this button to hang upside down from a twig. Then it molts for the last time, and instead of a new skin, this time there is a hard shell. This shell is called a chrysalis. Our caterpillar will stay inside the chrysalis for a long time. So this is called a chrysalis. The chrysalis is also called the pupa. Every day the chrysalis looks the same. We can't see anything happening, but inside the chrysalis, our caterpillar is changing. The caterpillar stays in the chrysalis about 1 week. Will our caterpillar ever turn into a butterfly? Will it ever come out of its chrysalis? We can hardly wait, but we do. We wait and wait and wait. Then one day during snack time, somebody shouts, "Look!" And we all rush over to see. The chrysalis is cracking, and we see a head, a body, and then wings. It's a butterfly! The tiny caterpillar who came to school in a jar turned into a painted lady butterfly, and we saw it happen. Our butterfly is damp and crumpled. It hangs on the chrysalis while its wings flap, flap, and flap. Blood pumps into its wings, and the wings straighten out and dry. Soon our butterfly will be ready to fly. In 2 hours, the wings are dry, and the butterfly is ready to fly. our butterfly cannot stay in the jar. It needs to be outside with flowers and grass and trees and other butterflies. And on this warm spring day, I put my finger into the jar and the butterfly sits on my finger. And I pull it out and our butterfly goes free. We feel a little sad and a little happy. We watch our butterfly land on a flower, and it will sip the flower's nectar through a long coiled tube called a proboscis. Maybe it is a female butterfly, but maybe someday she will lay an egg on a tree. I know just what will happen then. That egg will hatch into a caterpillar, and that caterpillar will turn into a beautiful butterfly. It says here, painted lady butterflies sip nectar from certain flowers. They like thistle, burdock, zinnia, and butterfly bush, and mint. So if you have those in your yard, you might attract a painted lady butterfly. And there are other different kinds of butterflies too that we can learn about. You might look out for the monarch, and it's found in most areas of the United States. The black swallowtail is found in all areas but the very far west, so probably not around here. The cabbage white one is found throughout the United States. We see a lot of the cabbage white butterflies. The dog-faced butterfly, found throughout the south, migrates through the Midwest to the Northeast in Canada. The common blue is found in the western part of the United States, which we see a lot of these too, the common blue butterfly. And then the buckeye is found in most areas of the United States except for the Pacific Northwest. So we won't be seeing any butterflies like that either. But we might see the painted lady when you're out and about. Butterfly.